Hi everyone, today I will explain in this video MacBook Air M2 review. So don't waste the time, let's go.
Apple has a reputation to bring about tough competitors to its contemporaries, and Apple MacBook Air is no exception. Yes, it is expensive, but it gives value over each penny you pay. Meet quality and reliability like never before. And that too, with the famous M1 chip. You won't get a better screen for a non-gaming laptop than MacBook Air's 13.3-inch panel. It offers more colors than what a normal laptop would produce, a whopping 125% sRGB. The results of this are crystal clear displays with sharp colors that are soft on the eyes. I could just go on and talk about how clear it produces text. No matter what the background, the text appears true to its colors, and that includes subtitles. Thank Apple's True Tone technology for this, if you have to. We could match the performance of Lenovo Idea Pad 3, but in no terms does it surpass the power of Apple's M1 8-core. It scores 15,131 on the CPU mark, which means it does well considerably in terms of strength and task processing. If we compare it to Intel's giants, the Intel Core i9 comes to terms with it. With an 8GB RAM with 512GB SSD, the laptop would stay on your side of the multitasking for years to come. You can even play light games on it, but for other tasks related to your studies or work, it won't disappoint you at all. The battery lasts for about 16 hours on minimum use. It can even go up to 18 hours if you tune down the performance further. Despite all the power and style, not to mention premium and quiet chassis, and a keyboard and touchpad to kill for, the laptop weighs only 2.8 pounds. It's not even...
So this is MacBook M2 short 2-minute review. So I hope like this video. So don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.